I have spent days to create the perfect Pixar movie poster, and this is what I came up with. If you want to know exactly how I made these posters, then stick around because I'm going to show you the exact method that I used to create them. If you find this video helpful at all, please hit that like button. The fastest and currently the best way to create the posters is to go to this website called ideogram.ai. It's the best software that accurately spells out the text that you want onto the images. For example, if we type in a Disney Pixar movie poster with the words Pocahontas in the title, it should give us images that actually have the words Pocahontas in the title. And there you have it. So right off the bat, we get high quality images with the words Pocahontas in them. This second one looks really good. Pocahontas. Yep, that's spelled correctly. Even has a logo of Disney Pixar in it. And I'm really liking this last one here, where it says Pocahontas, but it spells it out in like this weird feathery sort of style. That is awesome. If it's not exactly what you want, you can click this remix button here. Using this reference, you can adjust the image weight. The higher the weight, the more it'll look like the image reference, and the less it is, the more creative it'll be. Just to illustrate, let's set the image weight to 90 and see what we get. The new images look almost exactly like the original image, but with slight deviations. You see the color of the feathers have changed, but it still has this deer spirit in the middle. Now let's take that original image and click remix and set the image weight to 10. And here's what we get. They all have the same words Pocahontas in them, but they all differ in their own unique way. Now let's try to create a Disney Pixar movie of Taylor Swift. So let's type in a Disney Pixar movie poster of Taylor Swift with the words Taylor in the title. And to create that unique Disney style Pixar look, select 3D render and poster, then click generate, and there you have it. This one really resembles Taylor Swift. Second and third one looks really good. First one, oh my goodness. So let's pick the second one, click remix to include the Disney Pixar logo. Let's keep the same prompt and add and the words Disney Pixar. Image weight, let's leave it at 50 and click remix. These turned out way better than I expected, especially the second one here. But there's something wrong with her arms. This first one looks really good. The only issue is the extra R in Pixar, which we're going to remove in Canva. So let's download this as a PNG file. Open Canva, click Create Design, Import, select our Disney poster, click Use in a new design, click Custom Size 1280 by 720, so let's use those parameters. Click on the image, click Edit Image, Magic Eraser, go over the R and click Erase. So the R should be removed now. Looks perfect. There you have it. Our Taylor Swift Disney Pixar poster. Underneath the castle lights, dreams were dancing. Let's try to be edgier by creating a Disney Pixar poster of Hitler. So let's type in a Disney Pixar movie poster of Hitler with the title Holocaust. Select 3D render and poster and click generate. Okay, so these turned out pretty good, but they don't quite resemble Hitler. So what we can do is add a reference image. What I did was I searched up Hitler, took a screenshot. Now I'm going to upload that screenshot into Ideogram. Click remix, close here, remove the description that it returned to us, and then we'll just put in the same prompt, a Disney Pixar movie poster of Hitler with the words Holocaust in the title. Include the words Disney Pixar. Click remix and let's see what happens. So it kind of looks like Hitler, but it's missing his mustache. Let's click this one and click retry. But this time let's increase the image weight to 70. Okay, so we're not quite there yet. We're getting closer though. Let's take this last one here, click remix, and let's modify it a little bit. We'll add the man has a black mustache and is around 30 years old. And let's see what we get. Okay, so we're almost there. Let's take the second one, click remix, And let's modify this to say the man has a black Hitler mustache and is around 40 years old. Not quite there yet. I'm gonna keep tweaking this and I will show you the final result. Okay, so this is the best Disney poster I could come up with. It doesn't have quite his mustache. Essentially, I just kept remixing and remixing. And here's the prompt. Go ahead and pause to read this if you want. We could keep remixing this. In fact, let's do it one more time. And let's add, the man has Hitler's iconic mustache. The second best method for creating posters is by using midjourney.com. Midjourney is known for its ability to create high quality images. However, it is a bit more censored than ideogram. With Midjourney, I tried putting in the same Hitler prompt and it wouldn't allow me to do it. There are ways to get around it. For example, one way is by selecting this image icon here and then putting in a reference image and then having Midjourney create images of those. So let's do that and select this icon, click choose a file, and let's select our image of Hitler, click open, select the image, and then for the prompt, let's type in a movie poster with the title "Cost" in the top center of the poster. This is a Disney Pixar movie poster, 3D rendered. And enter and let's see what we get. Okay, so not bad. They don't actually look like posters, but at least Midjourney has gotten better at creating accurate text. You can see Cost in the first one, on the bottom right on the second one. It's over his chest in the third one. And strangely enough, it's on his forehead on the fourth one. That's pretty interesting. But I like this one, so let's go with it. So let's click reframe. And what reframe allows you to do is zoom out and fill in the spaces outside of your original image. And let's just modify the prompt for the new space, and let's say a poster with the words Disney Pixar on the top middle of the poster. Hit submit and let's see what happens. We're getting somewhere. This second one looks pretty good. It's got the Disney logo and we can just remove this second line in Canva easily. And it doesn't quite have Hitler's mustache. So what we can do is click this repaint feature here. And this allows you to modify just a small section of your image to get you what you want. I just tried to select this small piece right here and Midjourney wouldn't take it because it was too small. I'm going to select a larger piece for the prompt. I put in a small black mustache and Midjourney doesn't like the word Hitler, so we can't use that in the prompt. So let's just go with a small black square mustache. And let's see what happens. So not quite the mustache I was looking for. These mustaches are way too macho. This fourth one has a goatee. So let's take the second one and trim out the mustache. So let's download this one. Open up Canva, create a design, import, select the image, use in a new design, custom size, 1024 by 1024. Click the image, edit image, magic eraser. Let's get rid of this extra Disney here. If we zoom in, let's get rid of some of the mustache. See what happens. My third favorite way is by using Leonardo.ai, and it's the tool I use to create these posters here. If you want to create the same diversity poster as I had created, on the prompt you would type in a white woman surrounded by black men in a Disney Pixar movie poster with the title of diversity. Now with Leonardo Phoenix as a preset, you can actually click this button here and it'll enhance your prompt to create a better image. So after clicking that, it says, in the midst of a vibrant, diverse gathering, a single white woman stands out amongst a group of black men in a Disney Pixar movie poster titled diversity, so on and so forth. Let's click generate and see what we get. And right off the bat, they're all pretty awesome. They even have the Disney logo, the Pixar, the words are spelled correctly. I am very impressed with how these posters turned out. Here's the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Very impressed. If you're not satisfied with these results, you can click this edit button here and edit the images. So let's say add a crown to the woman. Add a diamond crown click generate, and there you have it. The woman now has a crown on her head. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these images, download it, and going to go to lumenlabs.ai, put in that image, click loop, then type in a princess with the diamond crown sparkling with men gazing upon her. Lumen Labs AI is the best software for creating text to video. So what I just did was I put in that image. So now it's going to actually create a video from that image. And here's what we got.
In a life that's colorblind, the contrast feels so stark. She dances in the dark, her heart.
So that pretty much covers it. To recap, we first used Ideogram AI, which is the simplest and easiest way to make Disney posters. Then we used Midjourney, which is a little bit more restrictive than Ideogram. And then we used Leonardo AI, which is my personal favorite. So go ahead and have fun with these programs and see which one is your favorite. If you found this video helpful and if you want to see more AI tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.